What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. We are sitting here in the mini truck. Man, we got this thing blinking. But listen, there's a notification that Trap My Ride is live. But guys, can you hear that? Ooh, man. It's a heck of a storm. It's raining out here, thundering. It is loud as heck. We are rained out, man. They straight random my parade today. But check it out. We stay swagged up. Another shout out to Mike at Graphics, guys. He's got us hooked up, man. I love this stuff, man. All your graphic shirt needs, if you guys clubs, whatever it is you guys need, decals for your Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff, man, hit him up. Logan, what is up, man? Good to see you guys, man. I hope you and your dad are doing good. We're just hanging out in the mini truck. We are rained out, guys. We didn't really get a chance to go anywhere tonight. A lot of bad weather. I know they still went up and met, but guys, that's a long haul in the rain, back in the rain for us. So we just stayed home tonight. We got some rest, chilled out. We are pumped and ready for tomorrow. We are going to be with my crew at Penguin Point in Elkhart, Indiana. Guys, this is a charity event. So come out, represent. If you have nice cars and you want to put them in the show, be there before 1 p.m. is what I understand. So, you know, be there by 11:30, 12 o'clock. Show up early. Make sure you get a good spot. Get in if you're going to be in the show. But if you want to come out, join us. Check out all the cool cars. Spectating starts, I think, at 2 p.m. So make sure you have a good parking spot. Get out there, guys. But all the proceeds of everything is all going to go for charity. They're taking donations. I forget the exact charity that it is, guys, offhand. A lot of stuff to keep track of, guys. It's hard to sometimes. But nonetheless, it's still a charity event, and they have all the details there. The main thing is there going to be a bunch of cool cars there, and they're doing it for a good cause. So come out and join us, man. TrapStar, guys, I still haven't gotten the last couple bits I need to put those lights in there and get it lit up. I've looked at it a little bit with the fender lit up, and guys, it is awesome. I'm tracking the rest of the parts. The handlebar, sissy bar, and new seats should be here soon. And the mirrors were missent, whatever that means. I looked it up, and it says that the USPS has made a mistake and sent it to the wrong place. But they didn't send it too far out. They sent it to Syracuse, which is only about 20 miles from here. So hopefully the United States Post Office can get it figured out. Jeffrey Embry, what is up, man? Thanks for joining us. We are creeping while you're sleeping. It's pretty much just a trap date because we are rained out. But guys, we are going to be in Elkhart, Indiana at Penguin Point tomorrow with my crew. They're having a car show. It's a charity drive. If you're going to be there to be in the car show, be there before 1 p.m. If you're going to spectate, come out in 2 and join us, man. That's what's going on. But yeah, guys, I've been working on the TrapStar, trying to get the lights there and the fenders, but I still need a few things. It's definitely going to be real cool, and the parts are coming. But like I said, the mirrors are missent, so hopefully they get that figured out and all that stuff to be here. The Blazer's just hanging out, chilling out, doing this thing, guys. I've been driving the little mini truck quite a bit. Buy these shirts, guys. Let's give this thing away. This thing's great. I like this little truck. It still needs a little bit of work. We have some projects coming up on that. But, guys, it really is no big deal. Like, we're going to keep getting it right and working on it. But make sure you get in there and get those shirts and tickets. There are lots of shirts and tickets left for this little truck. Yeah, you're going to be upset if you miss out. I'm telling you guys. But that's what's going on. We have a bunch of stuff that we're working out with Graphics. So maybe there'll be some cool merch and stickers and other things. Maybe some shirts, that sort, hats or whatever, you know, whatever you guys want. Maybe we'll take a poll and see what you guys want as far as merch. And we'll do some things up. I know everybody are liking the new print shirts. Mike, he's really pumping those out and working hard for us. And the stickers are awesome, guys. So make sure that if you come out, join us, hang out and see us, man, get some of these stickers. They are free. These are the giveaway stickers. So if you see me out, you can pick one of these up, man, as long as I have them in stock. And that is Mike Johnson right here at Graphics, guys. Get your stickers. He's doing this for us for free, so that way I can give them to you guys for free. I mean, you don't get much cooler than that. Plus, O'Reilly's. I talked to my people with O'Reilly's and the barbecue and the big show out and the car show with my crew on the 21st. Trap My Ride is going to be there, and we will be there with my crew and whoever else shows up there, whoever they invite. I'm not sure all the details on that, but I know that there's a lot of people invited and planning on going to that event, and it should be good, guys. I know there's going to be tons of food, tons of cars. Cody Grissom, what is up, man? You see me, brother, and I see you. We are creeping while you're sleeping. You know, the grind don't stop, brother. You know how it is. We're out here doing a trap date. We're reined in. We got, you know, just let everybody know what's going on. Keep up to date, you know. Everybody needs to stay in the loop. That sounds good, brother. We will talk to you in a few days. That guy right there, shout out to Cody Grissom. He's going to be working on a project for us. Yes, he's going to be working on a project for us, guys. So that is awesome. So we're going to be working with him and his company, and things are going to have a good turnout. So stay tuned for that project and that thing in the works. I'm telling you guys, that is going to be a good deal for everybody. I really think so. So hopefully we can put that together and make that work. So I want to give a shout out to him, Cody Grissom. That's awesome, man. You guys, the decals, the vinyls for Trap My Ride, these giveaway stickers. We're going to have some shirts. The Trap Stars. Everybody seems to like the Trap Star. So we're going to try and make those available for everybody. I know maybe not everybody wants Blazer King, but, you know, that's my brand. That's what we have. You either like it or you don't. I know that there are a few custom ones done, and as long as Mike is okay with doing custom colors and custom prints for you guys, I don't have any problem with it at all. And you know, we'll do them up. And so those will be to come, guys. I know that we demoed the first one, the prototype. Shout out to Brett, the Camaro King from my crew. Man, it looks real good. I really like that sticker, and he's got another one coming, guys. We have another one to come with that, which is real cool too. And I know that people are going to want those, and that's going to be a hot ticket. So we are going to try and put together a deal that works good for everybody, and we can bring those to everybody, and you can get one. So as long as he's okay with making custom ones and stuff like that, Mike is point on with his graphics. He has my approval for whatever, and we can print them out by the batch for you guys. He's working on getting some of the little details worked out so it's easier to lay. So if you buy a sticker, you can lay it yourself a lot easier, and you don't have to be a professional like Mike to get that done. That's why that's a prototype. So shout out to Brett from my crew. Dude, that's awesome. I really like the sticker. And shout out again to Sublet Graphics for making that happen for us, guys. And you can see we got the Trap My Ride. It says keep on trapping in the back. I have another project in the works for that. But man, I'm telling you, Mike is one guy, and he's working hard. He's taking care of my crew. He's taking care of his business, taking care of Trap My Ride. He's taking care of a lot of people. So, you know, I don't like to overwhelm him. He really does do awesome, man. But if you need anything, get a hold of that guy. He will get you sticker, get you what you need, and he grinds like hard, guys. I'm telling you, he's on it. And you won't be disappointed with any of his work, I promise. And we have maybe some 3D printed objects coming in the near future, but like I said, you know, he's one guy, he grinds hard, so it's all in time. It's coming, guys. It's coming. It's going to be hot too. Let's see, like tomorrow, Penguin Point and Elkhart. I want to reiterate that once again to make sure that we don't miss that. For anybody who's new here on the live, ooh, the rain might have let up, guys. We'll get some fresh air in here. I just want to reiterate that is in Elkhart, Indiana, at Penguin Point. If you're going to be in the car show, be there before 1 p.m. If you're going to come spectate, 2 o'clock. So we are going to be out there with my crew, Penguin Point, and Trap My Ride will be on scene, guys, and we'll be out. But there's going to be a lot of cars, a lot of groups invited to that. Man, there's a whole list. I can't think of them offhand, but there's a lot of... should be a good turnout, especially if the weather's good. So make sure that you come out and see us there. But I think tomorrow evening we are meeting... Man, I can't remember where that is, guys. I'll have to look, but I'll try and get that posted so that way everybody knows. But that's pretty much what we're doing tonight, guys. We are rained out. We're definitely out here creeping while you're sleeping. I'm just doing some administrative work for the rest of the night. and we're going to get ready for Penguin Point tomorrow. I might go and try and finish the Trap Star and get that done. I would love to bring that out this weekend so everybody can see that and get the video and bring it out to the meets. That's super cool. I really think everybody's going to like that. And I talked to Mr. Balderas with, he's got the green car, the, whatever the hell it is, Cicero De Niro, man, that's what he calls that thing. And I'm telling you, that guy is killing it at the car show. Every meet that we go to, he's winning. But we talked, and he's putting together another project to go with that car, guys, and hopefully we'll get all the good content on that, and he'll keep me updated on his build and all that good stuff, and we'll get it posted right up in Trap My Ride, pictures, videos, all that stuff. It won't be there, but have fun. Yes, it's a good time, guys. But yeah, he's putting together that project, so I don't really know if he wants anybody to know exactly what it is. I know he's ordering parts tonight, and he's trying to get a design done and all that stuff, but that will be an awesome project, and I think that'll be ready for next summer to go with Cicero De Niro. So, Mr. Balderas, big thumbs up, dude. I'm glad that worked out, and yeah, you're going to figure that out. I would love to get that content, so send me that. That'll be awesome, guys. So make sure you keep your eyes out for that. I know a lot of people watch that car, and it is cool. But I'm trying to think out what else is going on with my crew and members and what everybody's going on with those guys. Up at Sweets, Monday through Thursday, I think it is, all the my crew members, you're welcome to go up there, and I think they're recruiting, and people are welcome to come up there and check out the cars and see what's going on up there also. And that is at 10,004 McKinley Highway in Osceola, Indiana. I do believe that's the address there, and that is Sweets Mobile Mechanics. It's right there on the corner. Yeah, on McKinley Highway, that's where it's at. So that's my crew. They'll have their daily meets there. From what I understand, that's open to everybody. Everybody's welcome to join, come out, hang out, and have a good time. And that's Monday through Thursdays, guys, so don't miss that. Man, that lightning was crazy. I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but that's pretty slick. But like I said, guys, the mini truck, I love this thing. I'm trying to get it out so everybody can see it, check it out. You know, we still have a lot of warm time. Even when it gets cold, I'll work into the cold a little bit, and we still have some projects for this thing to come. So don't make sure that you don't miss out. You get your shirts, and we can get in and give this thing away. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this truck. It's fun. But like I said, we have a lot more projects for this to come still. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. I think I'm gonna get off here, and I'm just gonna keep on trapping, you know, like we do, and just keep grinding it. But I'm gonna prep and get ready for tomorrow at Penguin Point. So we will see you guys all there with my crew. That's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. Get your shirts. We'll see you tomorrow. Keep on trapping.